statute, to all the managers, the presidents, the members of the board of Philippine Duckpin Bowling Council, for their full participation in this 50th National Tournament. This is the last national event that the Philippine Duckpin will be conducting for the year 2025. And to, of course, we culminate this celebration of our 100th anniversary as a truly national duckpin bowling in the Philippines and in Philippine sports. Without your support, friends, this national event should not have been as successful as it is. Ang inyong suporta ang bubuhay sa Philippine Duckpin Bowling Council. Kaya hinihingi ko po ang inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating organisasyon. To all the winners, congratulations for your excellent performance. But please be reminded to be humble and magnanimous in victory. To our win bowlers who can take it to this national tournament, be happy. For this is not the last for you to try your luck once more. Do not lose courage. Let off your defeat be a challenge to you and aim for greater heights. You know, life is a journey. And happiness and sadness, not every day we are happy, and not every day we are sad. Just be patient because the good days is just ahead of us. Remember that the power to change for the better is in our own hands. To my beloved members of the PBC board, they are all here. Will you please stand, members of the board, to be recognized? Mr. Usat, stand up. Honorable President, stand up. Vice President Redenza Noel, stand up. Our beautiful auditor, Anna, stand up. Our very generous
Uy.
They don't
Wave daw.
I say
Wave. Wave. Corner. Wave daw, wave. Sa kabila, sa kabila.
Indonesia. Indonesia.
Wala.